Hello YouTube, this is an alcohol review of Rebel Yell Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey. According to the label, defiantly smooth, wheated bourbon, 4% alcohol by volume, 80 proof, 1849, Rebel Yell Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey, 750ml bottle. Gets its award-winning, defiantly smooth taste from the wheated mash bill. Worked for us in 1849, still works for us today. Kentucky, USA, family owned. Good heavy bottle. Reisman on the glass. Solid cork. Cork pieces. Good nose. I could have sworn I did this years ago, a review on this particular bourbon, but I just can't seem to find it. So if I did, well, sorry, here's another one for this bourbon. But if not, well, something to try. There we go. It is a nice yellow-hued honey brown. No real tearing. But then again, I kind of filled this glass rather fuller than what I should have. Not seeing much. Oh, there it goes. Well, maybe not. Hard to tell. All right. A lot of lemon, like lemon pledge. Caramel. The whiffs of the alcohol coming off of it. But a heavy caramel, vanilla. There it is. Now we're getting some tears. I guess if you talk about it, it starts to cry. With a lot of lemon orange overtones to it. Bitey. There's a bit of burn. Straight down. You get that burn. That ethanol comes up. But through all that, you get this nice lemon, orange at the very top. That caramel and vanilla hides behind that. Very nicely. But it's all overshadowed, overlain with that bite and that burn. Now, unlike, say, a real cheap bourbon, which is flat out just gnarls your tongue, just snaps right at you, this does have a bite, but it's not that vicious of a bite. It's a lighter bite, combined with that burn. Long hang time of the burn and of the other flavors, too. It all kind of gets this mix mash blended together onto it. Is this a sipping whiskey? I would have to say no. I do not recommend this as a sipper. Not as a dessert sipper, not as a late afternoon sipper. I try to compare many whiskeys and rums and whatnot to times of year and whatnot. This is an all year round one, and it's definitely one you want to mix into a cocktail. Put this with your favorite soda. Would go very well. Put this with some fruit drinks. Would go quite well. By itself as a standalone, put this with one of your cocktails. Yeah. Even if he added some ice to it, which is hearing noises, which would dim down some of these negatives, but it will also dim down some of the pluses. So this is definitely a cocktail bourbon. You guys try it. Tell me if I'm right or wrong. I mean, I'm just one fool out there giving his opinion. So Rebel Yell, any particular comments about this particular whiskey down below would be great if you put in some sort of writing, or better yet, go out and buy it, try it yourself, review it on the YouTube, and let the rest of us see your thoughts on Rebel Yell. Until next time, keep on drinking.